All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a Vero Neuron here with me for a quick maintenance video, and really hope you guys are gonna enjoy this fella. Pretty simple construction, guys. Look at that. Let's just do the pivot like so. If you open the blade before taking the knife apart, it's gonna reduce the chance, here you go, of scratching the blade when you pull it out. And there you go. So just pull it out like that, and here you are, and the knife just falls pretty much apart. Which that means the tolerances are not like stellar, to be honest, right? I mean, I tried to disassemble like one of the new Incosi, and those tolerances are tight. You can feel the knife like that's snug. This hadn't that feeling, but we are like what, in the $200 range. So I mean, it's not the same ballpark. It's not because this is made in China by Bestech, because from China we get some pretty cool stuff, I have to admit. So it's gone, that old conception that you know, stuff from China sucks. It's not like that anymore. So look at this interesting Inset lock titanium with a washer, kind of like spacer on one side, and on the other side we have a skeletonized. Look at that, very interesting. Of course, you can see here how this thing works. Interestingly, look at that. Okay. All right, so basically we got everything cleaned up. Let's clean the pivot as well. And we are ready to put this back together. I'm gonna start from here, from this side, like so. Actually, how about, I got an idea, guys. How about using bearings, huh? And a little bit of oil on that. So we got that. This is in. We get to insert the second ball bearing, another 3 drops, and just 1 for the track. So we're done with the lube. This fella will go right on top of this, and the lock goes like so. So in this case, I'm just gonna keep this thing pinched. Hopefully it will stay in place, and I'm able to sandwich everything back together. Is this correct? It is. Boom, like that. So right now I'm just gonna start with the pivot like this, and like, there you go. So just doing the pivot for now, and doing the clip, hidden screw, dip carry, nice, simple construction right over here. Here we go. Yeah, what about the other detent being lubed, huh? Why you're neglecting that, Fab? So let's just do like from here, let's say like there, and from there, just a couple drops. There you go. Wow. Okay. Yeah, now it's okay. So yeah, this is done. And this is your Vero front flipper, or flipper, double detent, non-locking knife centered. Detent is all right. It's a fun little knife for sure. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like and subscribe.